Teacher?
Why are you crying? Who is it that you're looking for?
Is it you, sir, who took him away? If it is, please tell me where he is, so that I may go and get him.
Mary.
Teacher?
Don't hold on to me, 'cause I am alive. Go tell my brothers that I am alive, and that I have not gone to my father and their father, to my God and their God.